In this tutorial, we will be learning about the continue control keyword in Python. Here we have a for loop that prints out the numbers 1 through 5. However, we have an if statement that checks if the current number is equal to 3. If it is, the continue keyword is used to skip that iteration of the loop and move on to the next number. As you can see from the output, the number 3 was skipped over because of the continue keyword. Now let's look at a different example. In this example, we have a while loop that starts with x equaling 0. The loop continues as long as x is less than 5. Inside the loop, we have an if statement that checks if x is equal to 3. If it is, the continue keyword is used to skip that iteration of the loop and move on to the next value of x. As you can see, the value of x skipped over 3 because of the continue keyword. The continue keyword is useful when you want to skip over certain iterations of a loop based on a certain condition. It allows you to control the flow of your loop and skip over any unwanted iterations. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful in understanding the continue control keyword in Python. Happy programming!